Hey guys! Merry Christmas! Today I'm gonna be sharing with you my Christmas look and I'm gonna be doing a vlog of what we did nung Christmas. So first, primer tayo with my favorite. Apply lang natin evenly and then for my base, mag-skintint lang ako applying it also with my hands kasi gusto ko lang ng very light layer and then color correct para ma-cover natin yung dark under eyes. Kunyari hindi tayo puyat. And concealer, powder, set lang natin. Make sure natin na maglalash siya throughout the party. And for today, magpa-primer ako sa eyes ko. I'm using the Essence one. Sobrang mura lang nito and sobrang effective niya for me. For my eyes, gusto ko ng medyo mas cool-toned na look. Kaya I'm using my Natasha Denona Glam palette. This is one of my favorite palettes for the year. And yun, if you want a tutorial on this, please let me know. Kasi parang mas more on cool tones na talaga yung gusto ko ngayon. Tapos, gagawin ko na lang off-cam yung lashes ko and eyeliner, pati brows ko. I'm using the Strokes one. Magkaka-review ako on this. Please wait on it. But for now, gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo ng isang milestone namin. Let's go back. Yung first ever ref namin dito sa bahay namin is this one. Hi, ref!
Nung nag-move in kami dito sa condo, 8 years ago, binigay lang to sa amin ng brother ko. So, yun. After 8 years.
8 years. Tapos parang mga 4 years na ata namin sinasabi na bibili na kami ng ref. Bibili na kami ng ref. Kasi gusto nyo ba makita yung loob ng ref kung gano'n na siya?
Wag na. Hindi, wag na.
Hindi, basta tuwing Christmas bibili na kami ng ref. Kasi nandun yung mas mura. And then never yun nangyayari. So ngayon, meron na kaming bagong ref! Ayun na! Ayun na yung bagong ref namin!
First ref purchase
Samsung
of our lives. Hi,
Hi,
Ed!
Hi!
So yun, ito yung old one.
Old?
Old?
Ayan na yung memories.
Pakita mo. Yun. So bali yung mga nasa pinto ng fridge. Mga stickers yan ni XJ nung bata pa siya, yung mga good job stars niya nung preschool siya. So ang gagawin namin, parang hindi na namin i-dispose yung fridge. We plan to do something with the door in the future para hindi namin itapon yung memories ni XJ. So, hindi pa namin alam kung ano yun, pero yun. Yan.
Okay.
Yun na muna. Lilinisin pa namin yung fridge eh.
Ito yung first official vlog.
First official vlog. Christmas vlog. Fridge vlog.
And there! I'm done with my lashes and brows. Ngayon, gawin na natin yung face makeup to finish up this look. Using one of the best releases this year, gagamitin ko yung Velvet Flush and Lucas. And then, magba-bronzer din ako with my favorite na Butter Bronzer. Then, highlight lang tayo ng face natin. And for the lips, I'm gonna be using the Lip Treat by Sunnies Face and Chill. Set lang natin yung face natin with one of my favorites also, which is yung Ellana Stay Fresh Setting Spray. And there, that's the final look. Sobrang easy lang nito. I can do it in around 5 to 10 minutes kung di lang ako nagfi-film. So yeah, that's my Christmas look. The storm after makeup.
We're filming you.
Maligo pa na.
Nauligo!
What day is it?
The day before Christmas.
Are you excited?
Of course I am!
Daddy.
Mommy. Hashtag no Ligo, Dad.
Hey, Daddy. Prepare. Tell Daddy to prepare.
Prepare.
Bye. Thank you. Sino magkalaban? Who's in game?
Me against him.
What? Who's winning?
Me, no. He already has one kill.
Naisahan ako dun ah.
Walang nakakaintindi. Naiintindihan mo? Do you understand?
Understand
chess? Do you understand chess? Oh, di ba nakapag-film pa ako? So stay tuned for my next video, okay?
I have a gift for you. But you have to open it now na, ha?
Okay.
Oh, here. This is a gift from me and Mom.
Despacito!
Wait, read it, open it.
Digital gift card number. RBLU.
Yeah, but what is it?
77J.
What does it give you?
50 Robux!
No?
I love it!
It's $50 worth of Robux.
Diba?
It's like
That's like 4,000.
5,000 Robux. Yeah? You like it?
Yes!
So what's your
Both
message? What's your message?
Thank you!
You like it?
Thank
Yeah.
you for
You're
the
gonna have
salt
Robux?
scrub. Wow.
Yes, for once I could get Robux! And I could afford my dream stuff! We have a gift card.
Redeem siya agad eh. Redeem siya agad eh. Who's gonna have Roblox for the first time?
Robux.
You meant
Robux para. Who's gonna have Robux for the first time? Who's gonna have
Meh.
Robux?
I got a watch!
What kind of watch?
A Batman one.
You like it? What else? What else you got?
I got Lego!
What else?
And punching ball. You expected Batman, but nope.
Then, some clothes.
Yeah, of course. Yeah,
And-
but the clothes are already.
How about
The mug.
Oh yeah. I already showed that.
favorite
Oh,
part?
yeah. Stickers. Woo! Is it focusing on it?
Oh. Look.
Kid Luffy, I guess.
You know, we don't know whose Jolly Roger that is.
Oh, I think that's Brownbeard.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
So, how's your Christmas?
really good.
Yeah?
What else you got? Yung...
Oh yeah, the Robux.
Yeah.
What's your favorite gift?
It's between the punching ball and the Robux.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna say everything.
Yeah, you like everything. You're gonna
Yeah.
use everything, no?
Of course.
Do a happy dance.
No, that's a crazy dance.
How about a happy dance? Say hi.
Bye.
And that's it. We're
Good
Good
night.
night. And
We miss you, what?
We miss you. We miss you.
I said wish. I meant
miss you.
I
We
meant
miss
wish.
you. You miss them? Why do you miss them?
No, I meant wish. Okay.
Oh, one more. And we
Wish you a Merry Christmas
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
and a Happy New Year.
Boink. Say,
Bye.
you're back? I thought you said bye.
Bye.